Hello everyone, this is Frank again, and today I'm going to teach you how to draw the character Pico from Friday Night Funkin'. And I start with this line slightly bent to the left. Then to make the cheek, I just have to draw letter C and extend the lower end. Then I have the shape for the head. Then I'm gonna draw this line just to separate the nose, eyes, and all the rest of the face. His t-shirt is gonna start here, and it's gonna be like a 45-degree angle going down. So this is his shirt sleeve. Notice that his upper body is about half the size of his head. And here for his hand, I'm gonna start making a rectangle. I'm gonna pull the thumb from this point, from one of the corners. And now I just make a sphere on top of it. That's gonna be the head of his microphone. And then there's the tip on the other side. So only 3 more fingers to go. That's it for the hand. Now his pants are gonna come from the end of his t-shirt and still going a bit to the left. Here's gonna be the division for his legs. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please don't forget to do so. You know, it's always a pleasure to have you guys around, and it would make me very happy if you could just give us a like and subscribe. Thank you so much in advance. So I'm going to sketch the feet like this. I'm going to make an extension to show that these are his soles. So I guess you can have a pretty good idea of where we're going from here. Now I'm gonna divide the face in the middle. And the nose is gonna be just like a letter A on the line that we had marked before. I'm gonna draw now a big V shape for his eyebrows. The V shape is just gonna have crooked ends. And then his eyes are just 2 ovals, which are interrupted by the eyebrows. With another 4 lines I make the smile. And if you take a good look, the smile is going to end where I have placed the line. So now I'm marking here the hairline, like this. It's just going to be 2 arcs, one small, and the other one is going to be much bigger, coming from the center of his face. So lots of straight lines here, and triangular shapes for the ear. Okay. Now let me just make the shape of the hair. Small curve, big curve. And then another small one. Alright, it's gonna meet the ear. So I was gonna draw him with a backpack, but in order to make things simple, I decided not to use it. So I'm just going to erase it here. And I'm gonna fix a few lines. Okay, so from this point I'm gonna draw his sleeve and his arm. So he's wearing a V-neck shirt, right? And a couple of lines for his shoelaces. A circle here and on the other shoe too. Okay, so I'm quite satisfied with it. Now it's time to get the marker and do the line work. Right, now I'm gonna use brush pens because I think the result's gonna look much better. Then I'm gonna start with lighter colors and only then will I paint the darker ones, darker areas. And now that the pigment's dry, I'm just gonna use the same color I had used before to make the shades, to make it look darker. Just like I did to the orange on his hair and like I'm doing now with the brown on his pants. Okay, so Pico is ready. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. It's always a pleasure to have you here. So thank you very much for watching up to this point and see you guys next time. Goodbye.